bend. Bend means झुकना. Because. Because means लेकिन. Buffalo. Buffalo means भैंस. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Bring. Bring means लाना. Bright. Bright means उजाला. Banana. Banana means केला. Baby. Baby means बच्चा. Bottle. Bottle means बोतल. Bone. Bone means हड्डी. Blue. Blue means नीला. Black. Black means काला. Brown. Brown means भूरा. Brother. Brother means भाई. Busy. Busy means व्यस्त. Bus. Bus means bus. Brand. Brand means smart. Boat. Boat means नाव. Boyfriend. Boyfriend means लड़का दोस्त. Boy. Boy means लड़का. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।